Hey everybody, what's happening? Son of a Silver Stacker here. In today's Numismatic news and information for the 23rd day of December 2021, I'd like to welcome you over to JM Bullion so we can look at the live spot prices. Gold's up $5.07 to 1814.54. Silver up a dime to 22.97, just under $23. That's interesting. Platinum down $1.15 to 983.33, above the 950 range it's been on for a few weeks. And palladium down $1.75 to 1918.50. And look at this over here at the stock status of silver, 489 units. I think we were about 500 or 501 yesterday or the day before. So looks like there has been some larger draws on silver stock supply recently. So I think that's going to be interesting moving forward as we hit into today's economic information. Now over here to the United States Mint, and I'm just going to give you a quick heads up. These may go on sale again this morning, and that is the 2021 Morgan and Peace silver dollars. Obviously, we know that these have been going on sale since I think the 14th or 15th of December, and a lot of people have already received their coins this week already. And it's obviously the week before Christmas. And for the Mint to be able to deliver on that is just truly remarkable. So here we are, we're on this Peace and Silver Dollar page, and it's really kind of a nice comprehensive link. Instead of going up and down the Mint product schedule to find all 6 of these, you can easily access them here on this page. So I will leave a link in the description. And good luck. You know, they may go on sale again today, 7:30 a.m. And if they do, make sure you are signed in. And I do believe you're able to pay with PayPal now, because I think when these first dropped, PayPal was not available. So that's really interesting that the Mint does that. And heard that these came up yesterday, but maybe for 30 seconds. Like I said, a lot more people are hearing about this. So you're going to have a lot more competition than we did about a week and a half ago. So good luck, folks. I want to wish you all the best on that one because these are fantastic. I think this is the lowest minted peace dollar since ever at 200,000. And then these 5 Morgan dollars put them equally, I believe, at the number 3 spot for Morgan dollars. So they got that going for them. And that just makes me wonder why the price of these on the secondary market is so reasonable. Now, over here to this particular page on the United States website, and it is the American Eagle 2021 Gold Proof 4-coin set that showed up again. And that is the, I believe, the Type 2, right? So that was kind of a shocker that one came back up with such a low product limit. Definitely out of my league. Now over here to the next stop today is coinnews.net. There's an article by Mike Unser published December 22. That's just yesterday. Title of the article is U.S. Mint Sales 2021 Morgan and Peace Silver Dollars Surge. Absolutely. And if you are going for those today, good luck, folks. You can see those go on sale 7:30, 9 a.m., noon, 12:30, 2 o'clock, anytime. So be ready for those if you are looking to get some of these. And do remember, the United States is remembering, they have a memory this time with the household order limit. Now it says sales of the 2021 Morgan and Peace silver dollars jumped following months of steady declines. And we've absolutely documented that along with Mike Unser. The latest figures from the U.S. Mint show the gains happened December 14th when the Minty briefly, that's awesome, the Mint reopened sales for roughly $36,000 that were made available again following order reconciliations, cancellations, and returns. Okay, there's 3 things that are solid, and hopefully you were able to one of those persons that didn't have any of these things happen to you. And if you did, hopefully you'll be able to get some of these today, or you already have been able to reacquire them. All 6 products quickly sold out. They posted, not sold out, because just sold. They became unavailable, right? They posted weekly gains ranging from 3,448 for the P Morgan dollar to 8,650 for the CC Morgan dollar. That's incredible. Each was among the Mint's top weekly sellers. Absolutely. Elsewhere, 7 of the Mint's numismatic products saw their sales reduced compared to 24 in last week's sales reports. Okay, the reductions range from 1 to 30,852, with the latter tagged to 20. Oh, here we go. Look at that. 30,852 with the ladder tag to the S Proof Silver Eagle. What is going on there? Notably as well, the 2021 Proof West Point Silver Eagle Type 2 dropped 10,000. So is the Mint melting down the 30,000 here and the 10,000 there? Because they know that with the smaller amount of silver in their silver American Women Silver Quarters proof sets, And you know that has to go on down the line like a domino, using less silver in the silver proof set quarters and the limited edition silver proof set quarters as well. So it definitely is going to be a year where the Mint is squeezing as much as they can out of not only the packaging, but now the silver content or the precious metal content. And will this follow on to the gold coins? I doubt it, but you never know. We'll see here. It says weekly U.S. Mint top sellers. Now here's a listing of the Mint's most popular numismatic products for the week ending December 19th. And that was just a few short days ago now. 2021 Morgan Silver Dollar, the CC Privy Mark, was the top dog spot at number 1. Number 2 is the Morgan Silver Dollar with the O Privy Mark. So the O and the CC Privy Mark are the big winners there, no doubt about it, because they had the most illegitimate or cancellation sales. Who knows? But they definitely have come back up to that 175,000 total mintage. And will they be on sale again this morning? Well, you just have to go find out. But like I said, keep a sandwich close because you might get hungry sitting there waiting by your phone or your computer. Number 3 is the 2021 proof set, up 7,225. That's amazing. Still beat out the Morgans. And then we have the 4th place is the 2021 D Morgan. 5th place is the 2021 S Morgan. And look at this. This is kind of a shocker. This is the 2021 Peace Silver Dollar, coming in at 6th place. Now, number 7 is the 2021 Mint set. Now, I believe they're talking about the uncirculated Mint set, which did become available again. Mine did come in the mail yesterday, and I looked at it, and I thought there might have been a strike through on the Washington crossing the Delaware quarter, but there was also some milk spots around his temple. So I don't believe they are very good quality, and I will not be purchasing any more of the United States 2021 uncirculated Mint sets going forward this year. Just because I thought they were not up to quality standards. But also, check this out. I didn't see that double ear on the new set either. So I don't know what's going on there. Maybe those sets that they took down all had that error that they knew about on that doubled ear, and then were replaced with the ones without the error. So that could be a possibility. So I'd hang on to the ones that were sold before they went off the shelf. Now, number 8 is the 2021 Morgan Silver Dollar, Philadelphia. That's no mint mark. Number 9 is the 2021 Silver Proof Set. Look at that, 3,439. Definitely contender this year. I didn't think it was going to be, but come holidays, it really ramped up sales. And then look at this. The only American innovation dollar to come in is the reverse proof set. Now, we know there's only 50,000 of those available, so there's about, 6,796 available? I don't know, somewhere in there. So in the latest report, the U.S. Mint published sales data for 319 numismatic products. 70 of them outperformed their prior weekly sales gains compared to 65 previously. 11 increased by more than 1,000 units against 5 in the prior report. And that has to do with these beauties right here. So like I said, good luck finding those. I mean, look at this. These sales are just off the charts. It's incredible how they have been redistributed. Good job. And now you have, I think, less than a week now to pick up the commemorative dollars from them. And they'll probably be melted down as well. Air Force Silver Medal. Let me go ahead and go a little bit quicker here because I'm spending a little bit too much time on there. Look at the clad proof sets. Tremendous amount of sales. Increased by 1.54%. Silver proof sets, still strong sales. I imagine once the holidays are over, though, those will decline. Now, look at this. This is what I'm talking about, that U.S. Mint uncirculated set. Not going to buy it going forward. And I kind of hoped that they would have left them off the shelf and keeping that mintage very low like that. That would have been really nice. Now, the 2021 Mighty Minters ornament is gone. You can't buy this, even though it says, well, not gone, but it just says remind me. So if you are interested in that, you're going to have to tell them to send you an email or a text. Now, here we go. This is the 2021 S-Proof Silver Eagle Type 2. They lost 30,852 units, or 13.5% of that volume. That's incredible. I mean, that's huge. And look at this. If you do the math here, look at this. Bulk 40 coins. 4 times 6 is 24. That's easily, 25,000 right there. So they went over that with that 25,000, which is basically 650 monster boxes. That's incredible. So they lost 650 monster boxes just with that. And what's interesting about this particular coin is that the product limit was supposed to be 200,000 even Steven, right? Look at this, 236, 462. How did they go over? I'm not sure, but they're still over by 5,610. Definitely begs the question. And look at this, Silver Eagle Type 2. It also had lost 10,000 units. Now, is the United States Mint going to be melting these silver coins down to make 0.922 of an ounce for the women's quarter sets? I don't know. But they definitely could use that if they're not going to be selling it. That's for sure. Now, let me go to the next item here on the oh gosh, there's so much to talk about. So much good news here at the end of the year. The American innovations, I don't want to ignore those particular ones because they are seeing a lot of sales. In fact, you can barely find the 2021 American innovation dollars left for sale anymore. Now, my guesstimate or our guesstimate that they're only going to be, and that's the United States Mint will only make about 7,000 rolls for 2021 for each of these, states. So we're almost there on this one. We've definitely hit that threshold here. Whoops, on the New York. And it does say they're selling the D from New York, but that D roll is unavailable, and you'll have to hit it on a remind me status. It doesn't say sold out, but I'm sure it will be soon. And Virginia, I think, is the only one left from 2021 that doesn't have all of them sold out. If not, 2021 Virginia still has the D set and the 100 coin bag. So that's really incredible. Those are going fast. Now, over here to Numismatic News, and this is 18 hours ago by Richard Giedroyc. Coin demand defies precious metal trend. And this is basically something that just basically lets us look forward into next year and what we can expect. And it's kind of short, and I'll keep it that way. The commentary may have been written during late December, but it's safe to say there's keen interest already being focused on the upcoming Florida United Numismatics Convention in early January. Simply put, expectations are high. It does not, at the time of this being written, appear the show might be adversely impacted by the ongoing pandemic. Now, this show will likely be a barometer for the state of the coin market throughout the winter and likely into the spring season. So barometer is a measurement, right? So this comes on the heels of the news that a St. Gaudens ultra high relief sold for a lot of money. Now it says here the balance of the market continues to thrive as well. Gold and silver in the precious metal form continue to move south, but you wouldn't know it from the demand for bullion and bullion impacted circulation strike coins of the late 19th and 20th, early 20th centuries. See, there's a disconnect. Everybody knows it. Everybody sees it. Why is gold and silver precious metal moving south while demand for it's just there's such a disconnect right now, right? Better conditioned circulation strike coins for the same period continue to move quickly as demand outstrips supply. Now that is a feeling that probably every seller wants to hear. Mostly, I mean, if they can't get a hold of the product, then they can't sell it, and that's bad. But it says here the all important Morgan dollar, silver dollar market is firing on all cylinders. Although there is somewhat of a lack of interest in peace dollars, I disagree. Recently issued U.S. Mint collector-only coins are holding their own, but it appears to be a pause in price appreciation here. Classic commemorative half dollars are showing signs of upward price movement in MEMS 65 and higher grades. This is the kind of market we are all like to see, and that is a healthy market. I got to go quick here. Charity, here we go. One who gives generously ends with more, and yet another who gives generously but unwisely will end up with a loss. So maybe it's best to spread our generosity evenly and within reason. Now, I'm going to go to a plus one and a song for you since it's Christmas. And this is Dominick the Donkey by Lou Monte. And it's kind of a fun, quirky song about in Italy, there's so many hills that the reindeer can't make it up the hills. They had to use a donkey. Anyway, folks, listen, I want to thank you all for watching. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you do like what you hear and see, please subscribe to the channel. It's free. Son of a Silver Stacker, out.